Yeah!
Great kick. Want to celebrate Chinese New Year's?
Sure, do you have the firecracker?
Yeah. Here you go.
But wait! First we must learn about the history of the firecracker.
I didn't know there was a history.
Tell me the history.
Tell me.
Okay. It all started in the 13th century when Genghis Khan invaded China.
Are those Mongolians?
I didn't sign up for this.
And so the Jin army fled.
Wait for me.
The Mongols were unbeatable. No one could stand up to Genghis Khan. Except the song.
What stopped the Song Dynasty from falling?
Tell us.
I wanna know.
Okay. It was the ancestor of the firecracker! The ancestor of the firecracker had a similar purpose, but was different in structure. Instead of being wrapped in red paper, it was covered in clay. After the first failed invasion, the Mongolians left to conquer the Middle East, and China was saved. For a year, until the Mongols came back again.
Hey, quit it. Stop it. That hurts. Okay.
What you gonna do, Mongolia? I'm all the way over here. I'm an island.
Hey, that was a great story, but I want to light the firecracker.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be
Guys,
forgot and all that
I'm going to die.
thine for